Go.
Hey, it's July, I'll be doggone, July 26th here in Lewiston, Idaho. We're out here with Dan Mater's crew cutting recrop wheat, hitting in the 80 plus range, 12.6 Pro, about 61 2-pound test weight. So we've got a good crop, and this was fall banded with Exactrix taps after it was seeded in late September in the dry soil. Rained, crop started out of the ground, and they side dressed it just before it emerged. Thought this would be a good opportunity to get back here and take a look at it, and we have the fall banding video that goes with it. So up against the Craig Mountains here in the background, big case combine doing a fine job, very reliable machine. Bank out wagon making deliveries right to river trucks, has to haul about 25 miles to the Snake River from here on a water grade. So pretty neat little farming scenario here at the Upper Tammany area, just above Lewiston, Idaho, up in the Craig Mountains in the background. And I'm looking into the Moscow Mountains, University of Idaho, and I can see WSU over the horizon, Pullman, Washington just up there over the top, Kamiak Butte. So real interesting area.